Hi guys, so we're live again, this little fish pond, because guess what? It's youth fishing only. How cool is that? So we can totally come back here and go fishing, right? What do you think about that, Lay? What do you think about coming back here to catch some fish?
Yeah.
You want to do it?
What about fishing rods?
And then what are we going to do with them?
Cook them.
And? You like? You like fish? Yeah. I never had a fresh caught fish that I caught on my own. Wow, look at all the seaweed on there. You can't really see it. It's kind of dark. Oh guys, here's the waterfall. We're actually coming in on it now, so. Hello. Wow. Careful. I want a pool like this, where it's like a hot tub and then the waterfall goes into the pool. This is so nice. You gonna cross? Taking your socks and shoes off? Lay, you wanna cross? Take your socks and shoes off. That means Mom gotta cross. Uh-oh. So that means Mom has to take her shoes off. Should we all do it together? Should we all do it together? Here, why don't you hold this?
Why? Take it with you.
No, I don't want to drop it. I'm going to hold their
You're not
hands.
gonna drop it.
I'm going to hold their hands. How am I going to record and hold their hands?
Because that way you have the up-close experience.
Toma.
You know?
Really?
Leilani's going to go right by herself.
Really?
Go away. Go away. Go away.
Really?
That's how it's done, Dad.
That's how it's done? Really? Alrighty then.
I just want to remind us we were ants. That right there would be a whole swimming pool. And we would all suffer to death.
Just be careful.
Let's see how far down this goes. See how far down this goes.
We gotta go. Dad it needs to go get it. Oh no, you're going to get a phone or no? So I gotta make a phone call. So let's cross back over. We gotta head out because we're gonna be heading home soon from here, right? So cuidado. Oh.
Oh, Mom! Doorbell!
Wow, it feels good. Wait, cuidado. Watch bro. You wanna touch it? I'll hold your hand.
The waterfall's breaking.
Cuidado.
Mom, it's breaking.
It's breaking. All right, come on, guys. Mom's having half of a heart attack here because I'm holding the phone. Let's get our socks and shoes back on. Say like and subscribe. Smash the thumbs up.
So we can go in that big giant pool.
Bye, guys.